I recognised last week's episode might have been a little bit unsatisfying, so I thought I'd do another one just to give it a bit of closure, if that's the right word. A better ending. Although, I've got an idea. I think this might not be the ending. I think there's something else. Let me run it past you.
But before we get to that, here she is. Why am I calling a shed a she? Because I come from a long line of misogynists. No, I don't. I mean, not especially. Grandad had his moments. Look, it's a building, not a babe. Although, all right, she looks good. Especially slightly out of focus and shot through a cobweb.
If you look a little closer, you'll see, well, it's not finished. And the big problem is, it leaks.
And leaks badly, in a fair few places.
To fix that, I need to finish these roof details, and this whole gutter needs a rethink. Bloody hell, Will, it's got a bit daytime television all of a sudden, hasn't it?
And why not? Kevin MacLeod won't live forever, TV people. Give me a call. The other problems in the shed are minor, but many, but the main thing that's getting in my way is the fact it's crammed full of stuff. But the whole point of the shed was to empty the living room of tools so we could decorate it. So we went ahead, even though the shed wasn't finished yet. Now look, I would have waited until it was done, but my wife wanted me to hurry up, so we did that. You are never going to agree on everything in a marriage. My advice is, never forgive them. Instead, fixate on every small disagreement and take your bitterness to your deathbed. #live, laugh, love.
So that's what we did. And look, it looks like this now. I know, right? Ooh. Before, after, before, after, before, after. Ooh, living room. So the plan now is to finish it to a high standard. And to do that, I need to empty the shed. I'm not taking everything back to the house, so I need something to put it all on. So I'm going to build a deck just out there. Easier said than done. Oh, as you can see, the shed is on quite a slope, so building a deck here is actually going to be quite hard, but hopefully more interesting. What I want is a level platform that I can put my ladders on and fix stuff, so I can cut wood properly, so I can build stuff, and film it, and then talk over the top. I got loads of things I want to do. I want to build a kind of built-in wardrobe office thing. I might convert the loft. I might build another shed. So consider this the end of series 1. I'll be back with series 2. Give me a follow on Instagram or YouTube. I've given up on TikTok. Makes you feel old, makes you feel like a cop at a disco. In the meantime, thank you for everything. Thank you for being so nice. This has been more fun than maybe you know. Remember what Mr. Shu said. Piss. I mean, it means a lot, right? You can't, I don't know. Before you judge him, you know, he was raised differently. You need to walk a mile in another man's Mr. Shu before you... I've got no ending to that sentence. I'm not good at endings. I'm just going to stop the camera now. Bye-bye.